girl, makeup artist Jacrista. Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial using a few of my favorite products. Also guys, I know you can tell that I have a new look. I got this wig from H&J Weave Beauty. At first my mom, she bought it from H&J Weave Beauty. That's the same hair company we've used forever and a day. And she kind of like messed up the wig, like trying to cut bangs or whatnot. So she was like, here, see what you can do with it. And I was like, okay, cool, like whatever. So what I did was I just like cut the wig into like a little bob. I cut Chinese bangs. I also bleached the wig. It was a natural, like a natural brown or number two color or something like that, and I just bleached it as blonde as I could at that time because I was like rushing, and it turned out well. The only thing is I don't know about this color. I don't know if I would want to change it, make it lighter, or just change the color in general vibe on like a ginger. Like y'all know I love gingers, you know, I like reds, you know, I like just the natural looks. So I'm not 100% sure on what color I would like, but I just wanted to come on here and, you know, show you all something different. I know I've been wearing my red wig for the longest because I love red, but I just wanted to try something different. So if you like what you're seeing, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and to continue watching. Mwah. So guys, we're gonna start off with a fresh face. I'm gonna go in with my Pond's moisturizer and moisturize my face. Now I'm just gonna jump into the shadow. I've already done my brows off of camera, as you can see. So I'm going in with the brown shade in the Juvia's Zulu palette, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease and all over my lid. Now I'm using pats, patting the product in instead of the swiping or the windshield wiper motion, because when you pat it in or tap it in, it gives you more product and it's more pigmented. Now I'm tapping in the yellow shade. You can barely see it, but I'm tapping in the yellow shade from the Juvia's Zulu palette on top of that brown, just to give it like a smooth transition. Now I'm starting on the crease. I'm going to cut my crease with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fun. You all know I rave about this concealer. I believe that this is the best concealer ever, and I'm just going to cut that crease. Now I'm going in and patting my crease just to get some of that extra concealer off and to kind of matten it. Now I'm going in with my Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, and I'm using the first shade. I forget the name of it, but it's the first shade and it's the lightest shade, and I'm just putting that on top of my cut crease. Now that my eyes are complete, I've done my lashes and my wing liner off of camera. I'm going to go in with my Clinique's 2-in-1 foundation in the color Clove, and I'm just going to spread that all over my face. And then I'm going to go in with my Beauty Blender. Now, of course, I'm highlighting, and I'm going to use my Beauty Blender to blend in the highlight. I start at the bottom first, like the sides of my cheeks. Then I get my chin, and then I do my forehead, and then I do my eyes last, so that the concealer can dry down a little bit, so it won't crease. Now I'm going in with my True Complexion Black Radiance palette, and I'm using the darkest shade for my contour. I'm going in with my Black Opal setting powder in the shade Medium. Now I'm going in with my Black Radiance highlighter. I'm using Flawless and Beautiful. And I'm going to set my face with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And I'm also going to use a setting mist that I got from TJ Maxx. And I'm just going to go in with my Beauty Blender and tap the setting mist in so it can set and stay in place.
Now I'm going in with my Milani's Satin Lippy in the color Satin, I believe, and I think it's number 10. And then I'm going to outline my lips with my Black Radiance Suede Lippy, and it's like the darkest shade purple. I really don't remember the name of it or the number, but it's the Black Radiance Suede Lippy, and it's like the darkest shade purple. Now, like I said, y'all, like the wig is beautiful, but I don't know how I feel about this blonde. I may just go ahead and bleach it a little lighter and see how I feel about that. And if not, I'll just probably dye it a funky color or something. But that concludes my video. Thank you for watching, you all. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Mwah.